Racing heart, restlessness, disorientation, palpitations, overwhelming fear with a strange sense of losing control over your body and your emotions. These are some of the symptoms of an anxiety attack or a panic attack. If you have experienced any of these ever in your life, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And in case if you're feeling anxious in this moment right now, then I just want to tell you that there is nothing to worry about. You are going to be absolutely okay, I promise. I'm Shikha Sundrial, and today I'm going to help you how to relax whenever you feel anxious for any reason. But before we begin, I want you to help me and support my efforts by subscribing to my channel and pressing that bell icon. Let's begin. You feel like you're free falling, losing control over your body and emotions, unable to understand what's happening to you. In these difficult times, it's important that you ground yourself. The first and the most important step is to literally come on the ground level. Whether you're at home, at office, school, college, mall, whether you're driving, traveling with somebody or by yourself, try and see if it's possible to come on the ground level. Literally place your feet with shoes or bare feet. It's your call, it's your comfort. Place your feet on the ground level, on the ground, on Mother Earth. The natural pull and stabilizing effects of the earth instantly helps us settle down both in our body and emotions. Second is breathing, or deep breathing to be precise. Deep breathing has been extensively researched and approved by countless medical professionals across the world to be a very potent and instant way of relaxing any kind of anxieties. If you want me to further talk about the effects and benefits and different ways of breathing, then comment down below and I will make a separate video on that next time. I'm attaching a link up here and down in the description of a simple way of breathing deep and silently to improve your breathing capacity. But there is, however, a different way of breathing when you're feeling anxious. Because your shoulders and neck muscles are as it is holding a lot of tension due to all the anxieties and negative emotions and negative hormones, you need to relax the muscles in these areas before you begin to breathe deep. I'm attaching a link up here and down in the description of simple ways of relaxing your neck, shoulders and arm muscles. Now you need to make sure that you're not closed, you're not compressed, you expand yourself, spread your arms, give space to your lungs to expand to their maximum capacity, give space to your heart to breathe effortlessly. Inhale through your nostrils, exhale through your mouth. The impact of sound on a human life are exponential and rather unfathomable. Something that truly deserves a separate video altogether. So if you're willing and interested to learn something about it, then comment down below and I will make a video soon. So you can pick any kind of sound, any kind of musical note, any kind of mantra, any kind of chant, or if not, then you can just hum and buzz like a bumblebee. Just make sure the origin of the sound, this vibration that you're creating within yourself is your navel, the central of your navel. Because if you limit the sound till the base of your throat, if you try and speak and chant from the base of your throat, then the range will also get limited till middle and high range. If you want to go a little deeper towards a lower tone and create a lot of grounding, a lot of settling down within yourself, then focus on generating the sound from your navel center. If you want, you can take support of your hands, place your palms on the top of your navel, right palm on your navel, left palm on top of the right palm, and try and generate the sound. You can practice it beforehand, you don't have to wait for an anxiety attack to happen. One last tip is consumption of water. Try and avoid having chilled or very cold water whenever you feel anxious. It's always suggested to have lukewarm water if possible, otherwise room temperature water, because hot beverages, hot liquids are a lot more effective and comforting during any kind of anxieties. So just try, and don't gulp down water in a go. Try and take water, drink water sip by sip. And that's it. These 3 very simple tips. Come on the ground floor, place your feet on the ground level on Mother Earth. Spread your arms, expand yourself in every way. Inhale through the nostrils, exhale through the mouth, deep and silently. Create deeper tone, grounding sounds and vibrations that originate from the central of your navel. Have water sip by sip, that is not too cold and not too hot. See, these tips are so easy to remember and easy to follow, but when anxieties actually happen, we get so overwhelmed that we forget everything and we don't know what to do. So try and practice these, try and remember these on and off whenever you feel like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support me to continue on this path, continue on my cause to create this kind of quality content for people like you. Also comment and tell me what exactly did you find the best in the video, and if at all you found it helpful in any way. That's it. Don't forget to share the video with your friends, actually with everybody. Everybody needs it. Everybody needs help. And what else? That's it. I'll see you soon. Please be gentle with yourself. There's no need to be so hard on yourself. These are tough times, but they will pass and good days will come back in our life. We just need to be resilient. We just need to be gentle with ourselves. Have faith and be loving to ourselves to begin with. That's it. I'll see you soon. Take care. Thank you. Bye.